Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can add ChatGPT on your Microsoft Word. It is a really easy process to add ChatGPT directly onto your Microsoft Word. So let's start the video. Now first of all, go to your search option here and type Word and click it to open as usual. And now go to blank documents, and here I am on the home page. And here you can see the add-in option, but if you cannot find add-ins on your home, just go to insert, it will be there. And now after clicking the add-in option, you have to click in add-in option. Here you can see popular add-ins. ChatGPT is number one, but if you cannot find it here, all you have to do is click this get add-ins here. And now here just search ChatGPT. And all you have to do all you have to do is select the add option here and select continue, and make sure your laptop or PC is connected to your internet. In that way they can download and use the ChatGPT. And now click allow and continue here. And now all you have to do is give command here, and like you use ChatGPT. Now as you can see, the command, it generated my command you can copy it or you can insert it to if you click the insert option, it will automatically insert it to your Word, but you can also copy it just clicking it and just paste it on your Word here. And either way you can do it. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.